Good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and today I'm going to talk to you about the OCap Tool. I know we spoke to you a few episodes ago about our new OCap housings. The OCap housings are the new peak housings that snap onto the O-balls. But we had a few questions about how to use the tool that comes with the OCaps. This is the tool. And you'll notice there's one end which is darker in color. And that end is to remove, that's the removal tool. If you need to take out an insert and replace it with a different color or a new insert, you would use this end to do that. I want to show you how to do that first. I would put that removal tool into the insert and snap it out. Then to insert a new OCap into the housing, you'll take the small end of the opposite side. You'll notice there's a large and a small insertion tool. You're going to use the small mini side of the insertion tool because we're using mini implants. You'll take the small end of the insertion tool and snap the proper color insert into the OCap. Make sure you use the right size tool because the larger end will not fit into our mini implant insertion caps. This tool comes with our kit, which is our TrueLock OCap Master Kit. You can also buy this instrument separately. I hope this clears up some of the questions that have come up about our new insertion and removal tool. Thank you for joining us again on this Monday Morning Minute, and we'll see you next time.